Get smooth and silky melted chocolate every time. Method 1 is already easy. Method 2 is as simple as it gets. I'll be using Cadbury chocolate, which is a type of compound chocolate that has less cocoa butter content, but it is more readily available and also cheaper. Ideally, for melting, you want to use Couverture chocolate, which is chocolate that has a higher cocoa butter content. It is more expensive to get though. So here I have the two types of chocolate. Let's start cutting this up. Next, I'm going to add my boiling water to a pot, and this is to make a double boiler. And I'm going to turn my heat to medium, which in my case is 5. Now I'm putting my steel bowl, but you can use a heat-proof glass bowl as long as it covers the pot. And you want to make sure it's fully dry before adding your chocolate, because any moisture will make the chocolate seize. When mixing chocolate, you want to use a rubber spatula or a steel spoon, because a wooden spoon can have moisture stored in it, which will make the chocolate seize. And here I am mixing, allowing the heat to do the work. This is our finished melted chocolate. It's nice, smooth and silky. And then you can use it for any of your desserts, whether it's for dipping or using it for something else. If you guys have found method 1 useful so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and comment below what dessert you're using your melted chocolate for. The second method is using the microwave. We're going to first blitz it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Give it a bit of a mix, and then we're going to blitz it for 15-second intervals and mix in between, so allow the chocolate to melt evenly. So this is what the chocolate looks like after 30 seconds in the microwave. So now that I've shown you guys both the methods so far, you guys can choose whichever method you find the easiest and use that to melt your chocolate. If you want to watch another video, you can click on this link here on this side, which is how to use gelatin properly, and I'll show you guys step by step on how to use gelatin.